In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add CNAME record in Cloudflare. A CNAME, short for canonical name, lets one host name point to another. It's perfect for sending traffic from a friendly subdomain like DOI or app to the actual service host without changing IP addresses. Start by opening the Cloudflare dashboard and signing in. From the main view, head to the domains area where all your sites are listed, then select the domain you want to edit. That takes you to the domain overview. Find DNS and open it to access your DNS management. If there's a records view, make sure you're on it so you can see existing entries and add new ones confidently. Choose Add Record. In the Type menu, select CNAME. Now, fill in the details. In the name field, enter the subdomain you're aliasing. Common labels are do, blog, or app. If you're pointing the root of your domain, many dashboards accept the @ symbol to represent the apex. Cloudflare will flatten that name so it resolves correctly like an A record to the outside world. In the target field, paste the destination host name provided by your hosting or service provider. This must be a host name, not an IP address. Take a moment to verify spelling and punctuation. Even a small typo will prevent your traffic from resolving. If you see a proxy status option, choose what fits your setup. Proxied routes enable Cloudflare's performance and security features. DNS only leaves the traffic unproxied, which some third-party services require. If you're unsure, use your provider's recommendation. TTL controls how long resolvers cache the record. Leaving it on auto is usually best unless you've been asked to set a specific value. Avoid conflicts. DNS doesn't allow a CNAME to coexist with other record types on the exact same name. If a conflicting record exists, decide which one you actually need and keep only that. When everything looks correct, click Save. Your new CNAME should now appear in the list. DNS updates can take a few minutes to propagate, so give it a little time before testing. If it still doesn't seem to work, recheck the name and target, confirm there are no conflicting records, and verify whether the record should be proxied or DNS only based on your provider's documentation. That's all it takes to add a CNAME record in Cloudflare. Using CNAMEs keeps your setup flexible and resilient, especially if your provider changes IPs behind the scenes. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section while you complete your configuration.